Hello. For creating a server, first of all, we have to go to cloud.google.com and sign up for a Google Cloud account. We can try it for free. It gives you a 1 year free trial, and you can use the services, all the servers, and all the things free for 1 year. So you just have to sign in with your account. And okay, so I have already signed in my account, so I'm not going to sign in. Instead, I'm going to show you my account. So after signing in, after signing up your account, you have to open the Cloud Console. The link is console.cloud.google.com. So we go to console.cloud.google.com, and here it is. I have an already made a project. So you should first create a project. Um, there will be an option to create a project. Okay, so just you can go from above and create a new project. In creating a new project, you can just name any random name of the project and the location. Then create. Okay, so this is my new project is created. So just I have to choose the newly generated project after it is created. Okay, so let's go with this project actually. So you just have to choose the project after creating the project. So after creating the project, you have to go to the compute engine and VM instances, or you can just follow the link of this cloud instances. I already have these two instances, but we are going to create a new instance to see how it works. Okay, so it's going to be instance 3, and you have to select a zone. It doesn't matter at all. So this is the actual price of your server according to these settings. But that's the hourly rate is 0.041. So it depends on you how long you keep the server on, and if you keep the server working for your whole month, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, so that will be the total cost, the upper limit of the cost, maybe you can say. Okay, so we choose a operating system for the server. So the recommended operating system is the Windows machine because we can easily use with the interface. Okay, so we will use Windows 2012 with desktop experience, or Windows 2016 with a desktop experience. I think Windows 2012 will be a better option. Okay, so it will come with a 50 GB of disk space. Okay, so you can see the price has gone high to 60.73, but we can decrease the CPU, right? And not very much CPU is needed with the process we are doing. So then we have to allow the HTTP traffic and HTTPS traffic, and that's it. We have to create it. It takes some time, and while it is taking some time, we will go to the network settings of the instance. Actually, you can. This is the I will show you with my instance one. You can download the RDP file. First, you have to set the Windows password. So it will give you a password, and you have to store it in some text file so that you can use it for signing in the RDP. And then you can download the RDP file and use the RDP file to log into the computer, and it will be a normal Windows machine. So once the Windows machine is open, you can download the Python and run the script on it. But the script will not work until we do the network settings here. And let me guide you to the network settings. From this main menu, we go into VPC network and into external VPC networks first. Okay, so we'll navigate to other things first. Okay, so we go to external IP addresses, and in external IP addresses, you can see this is instance 1. We want to reserve a static address for our instance 3. Okay, so we want to change it to static. static 3. Okay. Okay, no, IP2. Okay, so uh, with this I have reserved a static IP address for my instance. This will be the IP address of your server when we will communicate with the server, like I had this for my previous server. Okay, so we will now go to the firewall rules. And the first rule will there be to default allow HTTP. You click this and we edit this. Okay, so in your version it will be like click like this specified protocols and ports. You have to click on allow all the other settings are same and save it. So okay, so we go back and it was the ingress rule. We also have to set an egress rule. So we go to the egress rule. So you may not have any firewall rule already there, so you can create a firewall rule, and the settings should be this: the IP ranges. Let me show you this. Okay, so I have the network default priority and targets all instances in the network. And this is the destination IP ranges, so you have to enter it like 0.0 all that. Like they can, this is important, protocols and ports, you have to allow them all. Okay, so save it again. So actually this ingress rule and egress rules are actually controlling our firewall and giving our firewall a direction to allow all the incoming traffic and allow all the outgoing traffic, so the server can be communicated from everywhere. So this egress and this ingress rules are set. You just need one ingress and one egress rules. Okay, so the networking part is okay. So we now go back to the compute engine and our VM instances. Okay, so you just set a Windows password. This will there will be a username for you. You can set a custom username, and then you can set a password for it. Okay, so this is the password. I can store it in some text file. Okay, so close this. Now we download the RDP file. It will ask me for my password, which I just copy. Okay, so okay, so the server is starting. So I'm first time starting the server first time. This is why it's doing this thing. Okay, so give yes and close this. So it's just like a normal computer. What we have to do now is to install Python in it and just run the script in it, and that's it. Run the script, close the RDP, the server will keep running, and you can use the IP address of the server to run the script.